Modern farms are no longer powered by human strength alone. Today, giant machines can plant, monitor, and harvest enormous fields with incredible speed and precision. They are not just making farming faster, they are changing the future of food production. For thousands of years, farming depended on manual labor, simple tools, and unpredictable weather. Modern agriculture is now becoming a technology-driven industry, using machines and data to help farmers make better decisions. One of the clearest examples is the modern combine harvester. This massive machine performs several jobs at once. It cuts the crop, separates grain from the plant, removes unwanted material, and stores the grain inside a large onboard tank. In the past, these tasks required many workers and several stages. Today, one combine can move through a huge field while sensors monitor the harvesting process. The machine can adjust its speed and settings according to the crop, moisture level, and field conditions. This matters because farmers have only a short window to harvest before bad weather causes damage. A delayed harvest can mean lost crops, wasted money, and higher food prices. But modern farming does not begin at harvest. It begins with planting, and GPS-guided tractors are changing that process. These tractors use satellite positioning to follow precise routes across the field. Seeds can be planted in straight, evenly spaced rows, while the tractor avoids passing over the same soil unnecessarily. This reduces fuel consumption, protects the soil, and helps farmers use seeds and fertilizer more efficiently. Some systems can even work at night because the tractor is following digital instructions instead of relying only on human steering. For a farmer managing thousands of hectares, a small improvement in accuracy can create a major difference by the end of the season. Walking through an entire farm to inspect every plant can take days. That is why modern farms are using drones, satellites, and artificial intelligence. A drone can capture detailed images of crops from above. These images may reveal dry areas, pest damage, disease, or sections where plants are not growing properly. Artificial intelligence can analyze this information and create a map showing where attention is needed. Farmers can then apply water, spray, or fertilizer only where it is necessary. The farm can now see itself. This is known as precision agriculture, and it helps farmers move away from guesswork. Water is another area where technology is making a major impact. Traditional irrigation can waste water by supplying the same amount to every part of a field. Smart irrigation systems use soil sensors to measure moisture levels. When the soil becomes too dry, water is delivered to the areas that need it. When enough moisture is present, irrigation can be reduced or paused. This is increasingly important as farmers face drought, rising temperatures, and competition for fresh water. In countries across Africa, including Nigeria, water-saving irrigation could help farmers produce more food with fewer resources. The next stage is automation. Autonomous tractors and robotic machines are being developed to follow planned routes, detect obstacles, plant crops, remove weeds, and monitor fields. Small robots can move between rows and remove weeds without disturbing the main crop. This could reduce chemical use and help farmers manage labor shortages. Automation does not mean farmers are disappearing, it means their role is changing. Farmers are becoming managers of machines, data, soil, crops, and production systems. The biggest question is whether these technologies can benefit farmers everywhere. Large farms may be able to invest in expensive equipment, but smaller farmers often face challenges with cost, maintenance, training, and access to reliable power. For agricultural technology to make a real difference in Africa, it must become more affordable and suitable for local conditions. Machinery sharing programs, locally manufactured equipment, mobile farming services, and smaller machines could all help. The future of farming will not depend on one machine alone. It will depend on combining technology with local knowledge and responsible farming practices. From combine harvesters to GPS tractors, smart irrigation, drones, and autonomous robots, agriculture is becoming more precise, connected, and efficient. These machines cannot solve every farming challenge, but they can help farmers produce more food, reduce waste, save water, and respond faster to changing conditions. The future of farming is not simply about bigger machines. It is about using technology intelligently to produce food more sustainably. Which agricultural machine should we investigate next? Tell us in the comments and subscribe to Agricultural Development Insights for more documentaries about modern farming and food production around the world.